The far horizon ahead of us is unfolding continually. This is the path for the pioneers. Targeting zero carbon, Farizon transforms technology into green. With fearless strides, Farizon scripts an interconnected future. Delving deep into the comprehensive new energy technology chain, guided by technology, centered around users. Farizon leaves behind zero carbon footprints and traverses every path, converging into the intelligent connectivity. To scorching heat, from urban to rural, Farizon builds a green methanol-powered transportation ecosystem, which is fine-tuned for customized scenarios, ensuring each vehicle is more than just a means of transportation, harnessing the creative power of connecting space and Earth. Starting from here, Farizon builds a zero-carbon intelligent logistics system. This is our pioneering path. Farizon, the one to the future.